think if I what I have learned already, it is enough to get a job. I think. So,
Yeah.
Jin, you
But I
were saying
think
something?
I was saying that even with what Piyush, with what we've learned, yeah, I think you already are competitive with
Hmm.
the intro Python we did and the data analysis of Python. You should already be competitive now.
mhm.
If you just master this class, that should lead you to an entry level position in data analysis. At least
Yes.
that's how it is here in America. Now I don't know about Germany.
Yeah, in Germany it is like it's the same kind of. I mean, like yeah, almost
Hmm.
same. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't worry, Piyush. Before June, you will be having an offer. You will be having champagne and all those things. Don't worry.
'Cause that's what I did. You know, I got my degree, and
Yeah.
I spent my own money in 4 months paying for data. At the time back then, it was Excel. You know, everybody was using Excel, so I paid my own course to be a master in Excel, and I had my
Okay.
first data analysis with Excel, and then after that, I got my second job, and then that was it, and then I was gone.
I'm also, I mean, thinking of, I mean, after finishing this course, after, I mean, I will go for uh, advanced Excel because I
Yeah,
think it will
it's
be good.
useful too.
Yeah, I know Excel, but I mean, I need to be, I mean,
See,
proficient.
bro, you see, you go in one direction. Don't spread your legs and hand everywhere.
Hmm. But is it a good idea to go for I know Excel. I mean, I can do. Uh,
That is
I mean,
more than enough. I'm thinking, which you
yeah.
know, that is more than enough.
Okay.
Coming to your
So
advanced level of expert, see, coming to your advanced level, once you go inside a office or company, then you can learn about the advanced level of expert. What do you say, Jin?
yes, you're right. I think.
Yeah.
Yes, I mean, and so do you think that this is going to be our last course?
Which one?
I mean, the next one, bouquet and plus the projects.
Yes, yes.
Okay, along with this, I will go for, then after finishing this, I will go for Azure. Okay.
No, see, I told you before and only what you do, you just get the information about Azure, how many days it is taking, and what all curriculars are there. Okay, if it is taking less time, then you go with that Azure one first and finish it up. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if it is taking more time, then you need to carry forward with this one, the Python project code. That will be helpful. Why I'm saying long time? If it is taking 2 months, 3 months, then you will be forgetting some of the concept of a Python. So what all
Yes,
things you have
yes,
learned it, that will be useless for me. Again from the scratch somehow, not from the scratch,
yes,
but you have to hard little more effort you
yes. I
put inside.
know, I know, and
Yeah.
yeah,
That's the
I
reason
have
I'm
to
saying.
think. Maybe I will go for these course like the project. Mm.
Anyhow, you just have an information. Discuss with me.
Yeah, and
I'll let you know.
and send us the I mean the contents so that I can see
After
and let us know
okay,
how
oh,
much. Yeah, how
okay, I'll
long it
send you. I'll send you. Uh, the test question paper you'll get it. Content I'll send you in few days for sure. Okay.
okay. Yeah, and yeah, and the questions is still not sent.
I told you no Monday. And you'll
Okay,
get it tomorrow. 100%.
okay, okay, bro. Then see
Okay.
ya. Okay,
Good.
thank you. Bye.
So
Fine.
you're gonna let
Anything else?
me. So Sam, you're gonna
Yeah.
you know after this
Let
course, I'm gonna take a like I said, I'm gonna take a little bit of a break, but I want to explore the. Well, first of all, do your research and let me know. But
yeah.
I wouldn't be
Sure.
necessarily I wouldn't necessarily be turned off by starting the project class. But I want to focus on what I want to focus first, and
Yes.
then if there is room for that, then I want to do that too.